In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline your product launch with Asana and AI. If you're preparing a product launch, staying organized across teams, timelines, and deliverables can quickly become overwhelming. In this guide, you'll learn how to use Asana and its AI features to build a structured, efficient launch plan that keeps everything aligned from start to finish. Begin by logging into your Asana account on your desktop. If you have access to multiple workspaces, take a moment to ensure you are in the correct one, since your project will inherit that workspace's permissions and structure. Next, navigate to the top bar and click the Create button, then choose to start a new project. On the Setup screen, select the option to Create with AI. This allows Asana to generate a foundational structure for your launch plan, so you don't have to build everything manually from a blank slate. In the prompt field, enter a clear and focused description of your product launch. Keep it simple but informative, including the time frame, the teams involved, and the overall scope. For example, you might describe a quarterly product launch involving marketing, design, and development teams. Avoid adding sensitive or highly detailed information at this stage, as those specifics can be refined later within individual tasks. If Asana suggests a template that aligns with your workflow, you can choose it to speed up setup. Otherwise, proceed with a blank project so you have full flexibility to shape it according to your needs. Once confirmed, Asana AI will begin generating sections, tasks, and a basic timeline structure for your launch. Carefully review the generated plan. Adjust task names so they match your team's language, remove anything unnecessary, and fill in any missing steps. Assign ownership to team members, set realistic due dates based on dependencies, and define priorities so everyone understands what matters most. Use task descriptions to link relevant documents or clarify expectations for success. When the structure feels complete, finalize the project creation. You can still refine it later as your launch progresses. To improve efficiency, add rules to automate repetitive actions, such as assigning incoming tasks, updating statuses when deadlines change, or notifying stakeholders when work is completed. Start with simple automations and keep them clearly labeled for easy management. As execution begins, use different views to monitor progress. The timeline helps you understand sequencing and identify potential bottlenecks. The calendar view gives you a clear look at upcoming workload, while the board view offers a visual status flow for tracking progress. If AI suggests improvements, such as adjusting timelines or breaking down large tasks, review them and apply what makes sense for your workflow. Encourage your team to keep tasks updated so your reports remain accurate and useful. You've now built a streamlined product launch system using Asana and AI, keeping your team aligned and your deadlines under control. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.